Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a crochet wig. Now, I'm going to be attaching this wig, but it's pretty much a crochet wig and how to make it. So the hair that I'm going to be using is by Main Concept. It is their Caribbean Ripple Deep hair. As you can see, I showed you the net cap that we are going to use. And this hair comes in 18 inches, but I am going to cut this hair in half. The reason why I like to do that is because it's better for me to detangle the hair and it's easy for me to stretch. So you don't even really need a lot of hair when you do it this way. As you can see, I already put the net on my head and I'm just going to go ahead and actually cut the hair in half. This hair is so easy to separate, but it did get really stringy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to stick it through and just basically tie it maybe 2 or 3 times. You're pretty much just doing this like a regular crochet look. The only thing that I could really say is that make sure you're not going through each loop. As you can see, I'm going to get real up close and personal. I'm taking my needle through like 3 or 4 of them. So you don't want to take it through one of them. You want to take it through like 3 or 4 of them. I can't even talk right now. But yeah, so you want to do that. You're just basically going to take it all the way around your head. You're going to be skipping in between. Do not make these real close together. Honestly, I would make them about 2 to 3 finger length to 2 to 3 finger widths apart. You don't want to make them really close together because I'm telling you, you're going to have a lot of hair in your head. When you get done with this, 2 packs should be, not even 2 packs. Little like a 1.5 pack should be enough hair for you to complete this entire look. Now stick around. I'm going to play some music right now, but stick around because I'm going to show you how to actually attach this wig on. So this wig can be used for braidless. You can put it on if you have braids, and you can actually take it off and put it back on if you would like. As you can see with the back part, that is kind of sticking out, that piece in the middle, but we are going to cut that. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put more hair on the side that you actually want to be full, like your bang area, than the other side. So as you can see, my right side is the side that I'm going for a full look. Now I went ahead and I already marked where I want my actual parting area to be. So that is the white marker that you do see on the actual netting cap. And you're just going to pretty much put this on your head. And what you're going to do is you're going to anchor it down to your head. Now you can anchor this with hairpins. You could put combs on this net. You can pretty much do anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet it down because I want it to actually stick to my head. So as you can see, when I cut that part off in the middle, I'm just going to crochet it in regularly on my hair so that that hole won't be an actual opening. So you don't even really need to do a lot. Just maybe 2 or 3 will be perfectly fine. And then what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to start anchoring it around my actual edges. So like I said before, you can put hairpins in this. If you do that, then you won't have to worry about actually anchoring the size of the cap on your actual hair. Now the reason why, because I know a lot of people gonna ask me, well, what's the purpose of the net? Why you just can't crochet it regular? Ladies, you just want to keep in mind that there's a lot of ladies that may not be as fortunate as you are to have the type of hair that you have. Some people are experiencing hair loss in certain areas. Some people aren't allowed to take 2, 3, 4 hours out of their day to actually do their hair every day. So I think that this is a great idea for something that you can pretty much do quickly. I finished this wig in not even an hour. Probably like an hour. I finished this wig, and then now I'm actually putting it on my head the next day. So it was something that I was able to create one day and then put back on it the next day. And I just always want to give y'all different styles and different looks and different ways that you can actually do your hair. I mean, you don't have to do your hair the same way. And at the same time, we have to understand that what works for you may not work for other people. So that's why I like to show different styles and different ways to do certain things. So if this works for you, then yes, sis, go ahead and slay. You getting it. You doing your hair on your own. You're being very resourceful by looking at different videos on YouTube to help you save money or to help you save time or to help you grow your hair. So yes, this is the finished look. I did go ahead and cut the actual net, and this is the look that it is giving me. I absolutely love it, and the fact that this is actually anchored down to your head, as you can see, I'm going to tug on it. It ain't going nowhere. Not only is it not going nowhere, it's not a lot of stress on your hair. There's no pulling. There's no pretty much nothing. So I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box for this hair. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Y'all, I was really talking a lot, wasn't I? 3 minutes? That's the first time I've ever did like a whole 3 minutes of a voiceover. Yeah. I love this. I love it. Look how good it looks. I love it. So yeah, let me stop. Bye y'all.